Hey everyone, what's up? Today I'm in Virginia exploring the Great Channels. I've been here once before and I just find it absolutely amazing. I don't know of anything else like it in this area. The Great Channels are basically a bunch of interconnected slot canyons naturally carved from sandstone. This is a rather popular place to hike and there is limited parking. There are 10 parking spots available and absolutely no parking allowed along the road. If you do try to park along the road, you'll likely be towed. So if you plan on coming here, try to come at a less popular time. I got here around sunrise on a Friday and didn't see anyone on my way in. On my way out, however, I ran into about 5 groups of people. Another note is the road here, at least coming from the south, has a lot of switchbacks, so if you're prone to motion sickness like me, that's something to be aware of. The Trail to the Channels is about 3 miles one way. It's all pretty much uphill leading to the channels. There are some relatively steep sections, but nothing too technical. This isn't a super interesting trail, but in my opinion, the destination makes up for it. So one of the tips I read before I first came here was to leave your bag near the entrance. That way you know which one of these channels will take you back to the trail when you're ready to go. This shouldn't have to be said, but don't destroy the beautiful places you visit. No one else wants to see this. Let me know in the comments down below if you know of any areas like this along the East Coast, because I'd really like to go check them out. Some people express concern regarding getting lost here, and while it's always good to be cautious, I don't think the average person needs to be concerned about getting lost to the point where they can't find their way back out. If you pay attention, a lot of these formations are very different, and you'll start to recognize familiar ones, and you'll realize, oh, I'm at this formation, that means the exit's right around the corner. You may even be able to tell in this video where I've gone by the same area more than once. So this isn't part of like the channels that I was just in, but clearly there are channels over here as well. I'm not sure if there's a way for you to get to them or not. As I was leaving, I decided to stop and sketch for a little bit. Unfortunately, I only stayed for about 15 minutes as my hands were getting rather cold. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to be always adventuring.